New Mexico exam prep, page 21. 3. In this case, the qualifying broker may deposit non-trust funds into the trust account for the purpose of paying fees charged for credit card transactions. New Mexico Uniform Owner/Resident Relations Act. The purpose of the Uniform Owner/Resident Relations Act is to simplify, clarify, modernize, and revise the law governing the rental of dwelling units and the rights and obligations of owners and residents. A. Exemptions from the Act include: 1. A person who resides in an institution that provides medical, religious, or educational services. 2. The purchaser of property under a contract of sale. 3. Fraternal or social organization members who reside in an organization-operated building. 4. Transient occupancy in a hotel or motel. 5. Occupancy by an employee of the owner as a condition of employment. And 6. Structures used by the occupant primarily for agricultural purposes. B. Obligations of the owner. 1. The owner must notify in writing to the resident the names and address of the person authorized to manage the premises. The owner must also supply the name and address for service of process subpoena. 2. The owner shall substantially comply with minimum housing codes that affect health or safety. The owner is to provide electrical, plumbing, sanitary, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and other facilities in good and safe working order and condition. Provide receptacles for the removal of ashes, garbage, rubbish, and other waste. Supply running water, reasonable amounts of hot water and heat. 3. The owner may adopt rules and regulations concerning the resident's use and occupancy of the premises. The resident must receive a copy of existing rules when the resident enters into the rental agreement. 4. The owner may enter the dwelling unit in order to inspect the premises, make necessary or agreed repairs, or exhibit the dwelling unit to prospective residents or workmen, provided that the owner has given 24 hours written notice of the intent to enter. 5. If the owner or tenant fails to comply with this act or the rental agreement in such a manner as to materially affect health or safety or violate the rules, the affected party may terminate the agreement 7 days after a written notice to the other party if a reasonable attempt to remedy the situation has not been initiated. C. Obligations of the tenant. 1. Comply with the minimum housing codes. Dispose of waste in a safe manner. 2. Keep plumbing fixtures clean and use facilities in a reasonable manner. 3. Don't destroy, damage, or remove any part of the premises or permit others to do so.